Congratulations, Ted. Mike with Lakeshore RV. I'm here with the Forest River Grey Wolf 29 TE. Up front, we have your power tongue jack in light. 20-pound propane tanks behind that. 12-volt marine grade interstate battery behind that. We have your rock guard, tankless hot water heater, your outdoor shower, your fresh water and your city water connection, your vehicle information, tire and loading, and your VIN, little exterior light, your satellite, and little rear storage under the bunk. I don't have my keys on me. I think this is locked. It is. Just storage. 30 amp power supply right there. Travel rack and spare tire. Backup camera. We have some ladder prep there. If you want to get like a telescoping ladder, it would hook right into that. Freezer fridge combo. Little tray here. LP connection there. There's your Greystone. There's your ice maker, sink, and some storage above. Now I do have the stereo playing outdoor and indoor, so solid steps there. Speakers go in. Spot for a TV, another hookup. Black tank flush is going to be right here. And here we have a leash latch, bottle opener, and then that's going to be your bathroom entry door. And it looks like the front is storage is locked also, and I don't have my keys again, so let's go check it out. All right, I'm gonna turn the stereo off now. And back room here. We have 1, 2, and 3 bunks. Ladder pushed in there. Storage space. Okay. And here we go. Let's make sure we got propane here. Turn these all to high. And good to go. Turn those off. And then that just folds back down over them. Sink, removable faucet, or not removable, but I do like to open all the cabinet doors and close them. That way I know that they are operating. Perfect. Down here, looks good. Over here, also looking good. Under the sink here. Let's pull these drawers out, make sure they're looking nice. Garbage can, cool. Microwave down there, it's convection. Your fridge, let's make sure she's nice and cold. She is nice and cold. You can see the coldness. And I'm betting when I open the freezer, it's gonna be like, oh yeah, nice and icy. See that? Icy. Cool. Pantry. Bottom to top. And hallway to bathroom and bedroom. We'll stop at the bathroom here. Your toilet. Your big 34-inch radio glass door shower. Corner cabinet. Your tankless hot water heater control. And under your sink. And we're going to take this door into the bedroom. So there we go. Let's open these. Let's open that one. And let's get this open. All right, and lastly, let's mess with the thermostat here. Oh, turn it on. Cool. So that's our AC. Put it up here. Oh yeah, it's blowing. Let's turn that off and let's get the furnace on. Try to here. Heat. And I got heat coming through the blower. Cool. And I think down here too. Doesn't seem like it's coming through down there. Where's my heat ducts? Oh, there's another one down there. Yep, nice and warm. Okay, cool. Just had to check that out. I'm gonna turn this off. All right, I'm gonna get this uploaded to YouTube and I'm gonna see you in a couple hours. Thanks, Ted.